Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How long should a ramp be for 3 steps? Here are some factors that should be considered. Stairs typically run about 7.5 inches high each, so for 3 stairs a standard rise or height would be about 22 inches. The ADA, Americans with Disabilities Act, recommends 1 foot for ramp for every 1 inch of rise. How steep should a ramp be? The maximum recommended slope of ramps is 120. Steeper slopes may be allowed in special cases depending on the length to be covered, Fig. 4. Ramps should be provided with landings for resting, maneuvering and avoiding excessive speed. How do you calculate the slope of a wheelchair ramp? Divide the length of the wheelchair ramp by the height. This will be the second number in your ratio. The first number is always 1. If the ramp measures 12 feet long and the rise is 2 feet, you would divide 12 by 2 to get 6, and your ratio would be 1 to 6. Does Medicare cover wheelchair ramps? Medicare never covers home modifications, such as ramps or widened doors for improving wheelchair access. Though your doctor may suggest that home modifications may help due to your medical condition, Medicare does not include coverage for them under its Durable Medical Equipment (DME) benefit.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.